Hi friends, today's our topic is installation of Java. Open your favorite browser, just type it as Java JDK download. Okay, then hit enter. Select the first link www.oracle.com. Okay, Java 19 is the latest version of Java. Just scroll down, select Windows, then x64 installer because my operating is of 64-bit. Hit on this link. See here, download has been started here. It will take some time to get download. See, after downloading, just double click here. Here select S, Java SC Development Kit. Then select S. After that, preparing to install. Then select Next. Then Next. Java has been installed. Just select Close. Here go to command prompt cmd. Open the command prompt. Java. Here type it as Java version. It will display the version of the Java which has been installed. Java space version. See, Java version 19.0.1. Now we need to set up the environment variable path. Just type it here, environment variable. Okay, environment variable. Then here select path, then edit, and select new. Here we need to place the path. Just go to C drive, program files, C drive, program files, then next Java, then Java, then bin, copy address, here new, paste here, Control V, then press OK, then select new, here Java underscore home. This is the variable name, and copy the path here. Let us select this, copy address, then paste here, Control V, then OK, and click on OK, then OK. Here we have successfully selected the paths of environment variable. Thanks for watching the video, friends. Please subscribe, like, share. Have a great day. Hi friends, let us execute our first Java program. Open the notepad. Class demo. Here the class name is demo. Public static void main string then next system dot out dot print ln. It is used to print the output. Here we'll print the output as hello world. This is a simple hello world Java program. Okay, here the class name is demo. Public static void main string args. This is the default arguments. Void means it returns nothing. Public means the main method should be public to execute the program. Then let us open the command prompt. Here We'll create one folder in E drive, md, make directory Java. Here the directory name is Java. Then cd, change directory Java. Okay. We'll save this file, save as E drive, then Java. Here we'll save the file as demo.java. Then save, Control S, go to the command prompt here, Java C space file name. Here the file name is demo.java. Then hit enter. Then next Java space file name, hello world. We have successfully executed our first Java program, hello world. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.